Hello guys, I am your master V.R.Sai Sriram. Today we are going to talk about the most confusing topic for many of them in the physics chapter light. So this part is called sign convention. So this is very important to understand and use the mirror formula and magnification. So first, this was invented by Cartesian. We already know Cartesian invented the Cartesian plane, and this looks similar like that. So in Cartesian plane, we used to remember this as x dash, y dash, and y. Similarly, here in this point, we take a mirror to understand betterly. Here is the mirror. So consider the object here. We know that anything to the left hand side of the x-axis is considered negative. So what is this? We know the distance from the mirror and the object is u. So in case of any mirror you take, the object will be, the u value will be minus, since we place it to the left hand side. And if we took in case of the concave mirror, the image will form somewhere like this. So here the value of v is also negative. So minus negative and minus u. This is in case of concave. And we know the focal length and the center of curvature. Here the focal length also lies to the negative hand side, because here the whole thing is negative, towards this side it's positive, towards the upward side is positive, and towards the downward side is negative. So we should remember this always. And the focal length is negative. Here the height of the object, this is the height, so this value is height of object. Here height of object is also negative, positive. Here the height of the object is laying upwards towards the y positive axis, so here the height of the object is positive. When we consider the height of the image, it's lying downwards, right? So since it's downwards, we should consider this as negative. So for concave mirror, except height of object, remaining every values are negative. So this is about concave mirror. Now if we take a look of convex mirror. So we should draw the same axis to understand the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane is very important. If we don't understand it, then everything will collapse, and most of the numericals is asked from this part. So now instead of concave, I am taking an convex mirror. So it's a convex mirror. And as I said previously, every object will lie in the negative sides, x dash. So we place an object towards that side only. Like previous, we should draw the same x-axis, x dash, y dash, and y. So here in case of concave mirror, I am taking a convex mirror, so it's bulged outwards, and as usual the object always lies to the negative side, the u minus u, because this is the negative side of x and this is the positive side, and this is the negative side and this is the positive side. So always remember, upwards and right side it's positive, downwards and left side is negative. So here u is minus. So in case of convex, it is minus e. And we know it always forms an virtual image. So, and we should also remember the convex mirror will always form the height of image is always less than the height of the object. So here this value is v, and v is towards the right hand side. If it's towards the right hand side, it's positive. So here it's v, and we used to take focus always towards the right hand side, because here only the image will form always. So here we are taking the focus here, and this is the focal length. So focal length is also on the right hand side, therefore it is also positive. And if we take height of the image, it's lying upwards. So if it's upwards, we know it's positive. So height of image is positive, and height of object is also positive. So this is what we conclude, that in case of concave mirror, every value is negative except height of the object, and in convex mirror every value is positive except the object distance. So this is what we conclude from sign convention, and this is helpful in finding the mirror for in using the mirror formula, which is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, and magnification. So which is magnification is equal to height of the object by height of the image, or which is equal to minus v by u. So this is the two important formulas we use in this chapter to solve numericals. So without these, if without knowing the sign convention, if we use randomly, our answer will always go wrong. So I hope you understood it well.